We are told that figure 1 shows the sector AOB of a circle with center O and radius r centimeters. It tells us the angle AOB is theta radians and the area of the sector AOB is 11 centimeters squared. Given that the perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc AB, find the exact value of r. Okay, so to solve this first, I'm going to highlight some key information. So we are told that the sector has a radius of r. The angle AOB is theta radians, and it's important we're told it's radians so we know which of our formulae to use. And the area of the sector is 11 centimeters squared. The last piece of important information is it says the perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc AB. Good. So let's start solving the question. The first thing I'm going to do is we're going to write down an expression for the area of the sector and the perimeter. Okay, so the area of the sector, half r squared theta, and the perimeter is the length of the arc AB plus both of the radii. So what that is, it is r theta plus 2r. Okay, so let's use what we've been given in the question to formulate some more formulas. We are told that the area of the sector AOB is 11 centimeters squared. So we know that half r squared theta equals 11. We also know that the perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc AB. So we know that r theta plus 2r equals 4r theta. Okay, let's start by solving r theta plus 2r equals 4r theta. So we know that 2r equals 3r theta. And what we can do is we can divide both sides by r because we know that r is a unit of measurement, and in this case r isn't 0. So what we can do is we can say 2 equals 3 theta, and therefore theta equals 2 over 3. Okay. Now what we can do is we can take this value of theta and we can put it into our value for half r squared theta. So what we end up with is half r squared, and then theta is 2 over 3 equals 11. So half times 2 over 3 is the same as 2 over 2 times 3. The 2's cancel, so we get 1 over 3 r squared equals 11. We multiply both sides by 3, so we have r squared equals 33, and this means that r equals the square root of 33. As for the marks for this question itself is worth 4 marks. Your first mark comes from stating half r squared theta equals 11. Your second mark comes from stating that r theta plus 2r equals 4r theta. Your third mark comes from being aware that you need to solve theta equals 2 over 3, and that you attempted to substitute it back into your expression for half r squared theta equals 11. So this line over here is enough evidence to get you your third mark. Your fourth mark comes from correctly solving r and getting r equals root 33. And remember, they wanted the exact value of r, so don't convert it to decimal or try and do anything like that. Just r equals root 33.